Okay, let's map out your LC Phone onboarding roadmap. We're transforming your CRM communication from day one. Tired of the technical friction setting up tools like Twilio? Well, this explainer is exactly for you.
The old way was rough. You had to juggle external accounts, manual API keys, and seriously complex setups.
Now you can ditch those manual keys. LC Phone is built right in for native, completely hassle-free simplicity.
Here's your quick activation checklist. Open Settings, enable LC Phone, and boom, you're communicating instantly.
Forget complex initial configuration or external signups. Just activate it and you're instantly live. It's that easy.
Next up, maximizing delivery rates. Built-in tools like Sender ID and DND mapping instantly boost your message success. Plus, automated opt-out links and smart DND rules help sub-accounts effortlessly nail strict SMS compliance requirements.
Even better, built-in ramp-up protections and real-time monitoring actively defend your sender reputation from day one.
So, is it actually cheaper? Let's see how this built-in system lowers your costs versus third-party tools. Absolutely. Native integration and internal billing efficiencies mean LC Phone delivers a way lower overall communication cost. Plus, centralized billing helps your agency instantly track and control those monthly communication expenses. If issues do pop up, real-time monitoring provides instant alerts to easily troubleshoot any common delivery errors.
Got existing numbers? Don't worry. The process to migrate from Twilio to Lead Connector is literally effortless.
Why wrestle with API keys when hassle-free telephony is built right in? Ready to simplify your system?